Kere. My name is Apollo Gendorin. I am an artist from Soroti district. I am aged 21 years old. I am pursuing my diploma fashion and design from YMCA Comprehensive Institute. My role model is my mom. There are so many reasons that I would call her my role model. First and foremost, it's because she has taught me to cling on my passions. She has taught me to be a leader. As I know, mothers are always our first leaders. She has always been my role model in so many attributes. The reason as why I have contested for this Miss Tourism Teso Queen is because, number one, I might have not traveled so many places. I might have not traveled the whole world, but the little places that I've gone to have made me love tourism so much. The things that I've seen of Mother Nature have made me love tourism so much. Number two is love for my culture. As an Atesot, I have loved my culture so much. Culture is one of the greatest bonds of a place, of a community. As Itesots, we've had so many tourists attractions, so many things that have always made us one of the greatest tourist area. A new hope for tourism is the theme. For every challenge, there is always hope. There is always an opportunity to ignite hope. First of all, what we have to know, tourism is God-given. That means we can only switch from international tourism to local tourism. Secondly, advance innovation and digital transformation of tourism, including innovation and investment of digital skills. The innovation will help and boost the workers who have temporarily lost the jobs. The hope is huge and alive because we can use this opportunity to build better facilities for the tourism when the business resume as usual. Then we shall pick up from all different level better than the previous one before. God will always be there for us, for God and my country. Thank you.